Worship leading is a lot of fun, especially when you can get paid to do it. But where does one begin looking for a worship leading job? In this video, you're going to learn about the 5 resources that will help you find a paid worship ministry position. This video is brought to you by Lead Worship with Ableton, a free training to help you get started with the #1 worship leading software. With Ableton Live, you can run a click, backing tracks, and automate lyrics and lighting. It's the best tool for increasing excellence and eliminating distracting mistakes in worship. Click the link in the description to enroll in the free training today. My name is Jake Goslin with churchfront.com, an online resource for creative and innovative church leaders. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive all of our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your church. And here's my question of the day. If you are in a paid worship ministry position, how did you find your job? Let us all know below in the comments. Side note, not everyone in worship ministry gets paid, nor do they want or need to, because they may already have another career, or they may just want to do it as a volunteer forever. In this video, I don't want to downplay the importance of volunteer worship leaders. Keep up the great work and keep watching if you want to know about these helpful resources. So in the rest of this video, I want to show you the 5 types of resources you can use to find a paid position as a worship leader. I'm not going to cover the details of how to go through the application process, although that would be a good topic for a future video. This video is for worship leaders who just want to get started with turning their passion and calling for ministry into a career, but they don't know where to begin looking for positions. Thanks to the internet, finding worship leader job openings is easier than ever. There are 4 types of online resources you can use to find a worship leading job. Resource number 1, church staffing websites. Church staffing websites are a great place to get started. I recommend starting with ministryjobs.com and churchstaffing.com. Within seconds, you can browse hundreds of job openings and job descriptions. If you are new to worship ministry, these sites can give you a clear picture of what churches are looking for in a worship leader. As a candidate, you can upload your information and resume. It makes applying for different positions efficient, and it allows churches to browse through resumes and maybe find yours and reach out to you if they are interested. Resource number 2, Seminary and Christian College Job Boards. Is there a seminary or Christian college in your area or the area you're interested in relocating? Check out and see if they have a job board with worship ministry positions. I went to Denver Seminary and they have a very current and active job board on their website. Most of the churches on that job board are here in Colorado, but sometimes churches from out of state will also post on there. Seminary and college job boards can be a great place to connect with like-minded churches. Chances are they are choosing to post on a particular school's job board because they want graduates from that institution or people who have similar beliefs as those graduates. These job boards are generally low tech, meaning you're not going to have a fancy account like you can on those other staffing websites previously mentioned. And usually a posting will include the job description with contact info. Just email them what they request. Usually it's a video example of you leading, a cover letter, and a resume. Resource number 3, the Worship Leaders Collective Job Positions Facebook group. Worship Leaders Collective is one of the largest Facebook groups for worship leaders. Make sure you are part of the group because there's always great discussion going on there. The admins of that group created another Facebook group for job postings. It's pretty simple. Churches from around the world will post worship job openings on a daily basis. And the information is not entirely as organized as a job board or staff listing website, but use the search function in the group and that'll hopefully help you find the type of church you're looking for and the location you're looking for. Resource number 4, search groups. While the other resources I've mentioned in this video make it easy to find job postings, what those resources don't do is help you through the application process. Search groups help solve this problem for both the worship leader looking for a position and the church hiring for a job. The leading search groups include Vanderbloemen, Fruit Group, and Slingshot, just to name a few. Each group takes its own approach to the search process, so I recommend checking out their websites and connecting with them directly to find which one is best for you. It's essential for you to not only find a job that looks good to you on paper, but it also needs to be a fit for your personality and beliefs. Since search groups walk you through a more thorough process, your chances of getting hired somewhere that isn't a good fit are drastically reduced. You can never do too much homework or take too much time when considering a new position at a church. Resource number 5, job postings on church websites. Maybe you already know what church you would like to work at. Keep an eye on their website, as most churches have an employment page that lists their current openings. Carefully read the job description and follow their application instructions. I've included links to all of these resources in my worship ministry toolkit, linked below in this video. It's my ultimate resource guide for worship leaders. Not only does it contain links to church staffing resources, but it also has my favorite list of software and gear for worship ministry. You can also enroll in my free training, Lead Worship with Ableton. It's going to show you how to get started with the #1 worship leading software. Proficiency with Ableton Live is definitely something you'll want to put on your resume. If you already have a worship ministry job, how did you find out about your job? Let us know below in the comments, as that will be helpful not only to me, but to the other folks watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends in ministry. You can watch some related videos right over here, and don't forget to subscribe to the Churchfront channel so you can continue to receive our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your church.